Come on, Shawn. Don't fail me now. It's a twist. You can braid but not twist. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So you guys, it is officially HAIRtober. Instead of doing VLOGTOBER, I decided why not dedicate to my natural beauties, or not even natural, like just hair in general. Y'all know I'm a hair fiend, and yeah, I want to dedicate videos for the month with just different hairstyles, Pinterest inspired of course, or just something that or styles that I'm used to doing. But yeah, so we're gonna either do it new or do it old. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you're not new, or even if you are new, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you share this video because we gotta get lit. Okay, so let's get started. I'm about to pick from my Pinterest board. I called it HAIRtober. But yeah, we got to pick something easy today because I think I might have found what I'm doing. We got to pick something easy today because my sister's about to come pick me up and she's already on the way. And she's a stickler for time, so I don't want her to cuss me out. But yeah, so I have like a bunch of hairstyles in here, like hair inspos, and I'm gonna just recreate them because why not? But yeah, okay, so we're going to do this one today. This actually looks like my go-to, which is pretty awesome, but instead of braids like I usually do, these are twists. So screenshot and let's get started. Let's get started. So I parted off camera because again, we are pressed for time and it takes me like 8,000 hours to part, y'all. But okay, so let's get into it. I'm about to do these edges first because why not? Okay, so we got the edges done, part done. Now we're about to do my favorite part, moisturizing. I already moisturized my hair, but it's a bit it's been sitting on this for about like 5 days, so it needs to be re-moisturized. So we are using, of course, my handy dandy water bottle. I'm gonna get a cuter one because this one is not my first choice, but it does the job. So yeah, so we're gonna make sure we drench our hair with water because I do not like to put product on dry hair. It just doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't work, so don't do it, you know? Where my curls at? They're not activating. I do not want to put this curl custard on it, but no, I'm not putting the curl custard on it. Not for this style. I don't need to. I feel like, okay, so I'm using a cream of nature, right? And I feel like with stuff like this, like curl creams, defining creams and stuff like that, I feel like that's for, you know, when my hair is out. My hair is not out today, but I am using the cream of nature for natural hair moisture and shine curl activator. Y'all, I hope my boobies, y'all can't even see my boobies. But they still don't need to pop out. I got boobies now, y'all. I gained me some weight. Oop. Okay, so. And I just moisturize both sides. I'm so excited for HAIRtober. Like, yeah. Y'all think I can do all 31 days? Be honest. Leave a comment below. If you don't have faith in me and you want to be a hater and a doubter, then leave your comment below. But if you do have faith in me, still leave your comment below and say, no, Shawn, I really think you are going to do this. I think you are going to do this HAIRtober to the fullest. And I have no doubt in you. And no lie, like, even if I did want to be a little procrastinator or whatever, if you left that in the comment, I would have to do it. Like, I would have to do it. I would have to stay committed. So, you know, motivate me in the comments. But I think I'm going to do it. Like, I feel like this is going to be a very fun experience, so I'm pretty excited. Just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. Y'all want me to be a singer? If YouTube don't work out, I'm being a singer, y'all. I'm joking. No. I know. I'm not, singing's not for me. Okay, come on, Shawn. I might just honestly do the other side. Oops. I might do the other sides off camera. We'll see. But I really think I am going to do that. Okay, Cream of Nature moisturizer. And this moisturizer is also a curl activator too. So I mean, I guess it does the job that it needs to do. Okay, so whoa. Okay, so we got all that under control. I'm gonna rake it together so you don't see no parts or anything of that nature. And then I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler so I can just already set the hair while I'm moisturizing the other side. So I go in with my Eco Styler, put it on my perimeters. Put it on my perimeters. Let's slick it down. Ooh, a little jelly. You see how slicky? So just as we doing twists, we need this thing detangled and slick, okay? So we're gonna put this to the side. And whoop, almost slipped. And then I'm gonna work on this side and we'll be back. Okay, now for the fun part. Make sure that it is detangled because you do not want to twist on non-detangled hair. Okay. I'm nervous. I always do a braid. I feel like a twist might be easier, but like, you know? Okay. So I'm going to start twisting. Trying to make sure everything is smooth as I go along. It's already not smooth. I mean, it's cute. It's like a messy, non-smooth, but still. Okay. We are almost done. So yeah, that twist obviously is better and easier. I like it right there. So I twisted like towards like to this part of my ear because I don't want it to go all the way down because I do not have that much hair. So if I go all the way down, I'm minimalizing the hair that I can use for the bun. And then I mark that off because it is a twist. You can also fluff this out a little bit just to give you some more dimension. And then we use another, do I want to use a rubber band or a hair tie? I'm gonna use a rubber band. Is there another rubber band? No, I want to use a hair tie. Use a hair tie. Make sure everything's detangled so you don't have no lumps or anything, because you because you want to make sure that we have enough hair in the actual bun. I like my buns low. And then you bun it. So now we're about to do this side. And you, same process. Like, I like styles that I do the same thing for each side. Like, it just makes things so much easier. And yeah, like, all my steps, if you really watch my videos, all my steps have like a process. Okay, let's get it started. And let's get it. I'm really scared. I should have did this side first. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all got faith in me? Okay. Making sure everything's straightened out. Look, I already got a lump right there. Oh my, GG.
Oh, still off by that much. Try it again.
Start again. Reverse. Okay. Come on, Shawn. Don't fail me now. It's a twist. You can braid but not twist. I mean, I kind of can braid but not twist, but still, that don't mean that I gotta. Why do you keep popping up? Okay, so it's not me, it's my hair.
Oh, try again.
Okay, let's do it now. So look, we got the hair. Make sure that's flat. Okay. It shouldn't be there again. It shouldn't. But I'm showing y'all the real raw, okay? Like, I'm showing you guys the fact that, like, it might take a couple of minutes, but we gonna get it, and it's gonna be cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, no, actually, it's not that bad. And when I flip it, okay, we gonna leave it alone. I am a perfectionist. That's my issue. Okay, leave it alone. Okay, we're at the ear. We're at that part. We're at the part. Twist it a little more. Get your handy dandy rubber bandy. I cracked myself up. And then you bend that off. You fluff it a little bit. Why is it acting like that? Okay, I don't like that.
I don't like that.
We're gonna redo this rubber band. The twist cute though. The twist is cute. Okay, we better. Thought we were better. Okay. Now we pin it. Okay, fluff that out. And then we make sure everything is detangled. My hair, if y'all go back, if you're new to this channel or if you just haven't seen it, I did my whole big chop journey on this channel. And if I do say so myself, like, I grew my hair back. And honestly, that's just motivation for anybody out there who's like thinking about doing a big chop and you're just worried about your hair not growing back. Like, when you learn how to do your hair the way your hair wants to be done, when you learn how to do your hair the way your hair wants to be done, and actually, you know, trials and tribulations, I'm just like, nah. When you do a lot of trials and just different things to just see what your hair likes and what your hair doesn't, it works. But yeah, your girl is done. Today was rushed. Like, I'm really nervous. My sister is like down the street, so I was trying to, I wasn't really in the mood that I was supposed to be in because it is HAIRtober. Like, I'm lit, y'all. I'm lit. But yeah, okay. Anyways, you like the hair? Thank you. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe because we dropping all 31 days. 31, yeah. All 31 days, I'm dropping a hair tutorial. This is this. Did I do good? Did I do good? Did I do good? Did I do good? I think I did. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.